Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from MetLife claim payout methods, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from a MetLife claim payout, begin by gathering your personal information. Have your claim number readily accessible. Log into your MetLife online account. If you do not have an account, navigate to the registration page to create one. Once logged in, look for the section related to claims. Select the claim for which you want to initiate the payout withdrawal. Review the payment options available for your claim. Choose the preferred withdrawal method that suits your needs. These methods may include direct deposit, check issuance, or electronic transfer. Follow the prompts to enter the required payment details. Make sure all entered information is accurate to avoid delays. Review the withdrawal request summary before proceeding. Confirm your request by clicking the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating the processing of your withdrawal. If you chose direct deposit, check your bank account for the transaction status. For check issuance, monitor your mail for the delivery of your check. Contact MetLife customer service if you encounter any issues or have questions. Keep records of all communications for future reference. Allow a few business days for the processing of your withdrawal request. Stay informed by checking your account for updates on the status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.